What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're gonna go ride in the mountains and snow machines, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby.
Oh, she's gonna go. Yeah.
You in a really low gear too? Oh, your other side's spinning. I kind of figured. I don't know why this side's spinning. That seems like it'd have less traction over there.
Yeah, all right, I need a jerk bit.
All right.
Here we go. Securing up the winch. Put a winch on it! Winch or strap? My place is right down there, so this is the way we always come.
Yeah, I know. That's why I left these lights on.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we're gonna winch out.
Oh, yeah,
we ought to get it.
Yeah, we dug out as much.
Is that right? Yeah, looks like we're getting it though. Do you guys need a hand to get out?
Yeah.
Right here, we just need a push. It's high centered. Right
Oh,
here, 'cause
gotcha.
that berm they leave.
Yeah, I
there's a
know.
berm there.
I think if I come back a little bit and then go forward, I can get up far enough fast.
Ready? Oh, yeah. Whoa. Don't go too far. Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah, then we'll shovel all this out, huh?
Can't make this stuff up. Telling you. Got Brandon out using the winch, so that worked.
Try it again. Oh yeah, she's going.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, you good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
You got it. Not.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, getting back through this is going to be interesting.
Hey, look at that chunder.
Right, chunder.
Get some right chunder. We're not back yet either.
Not leaving.
Yeah, man. Oh my God. All right. Cut my hand.
Yeah, so let's go back the way we came.
Back the way we came.
Yeah, good thing you got a winch on this.
Yep, that's why you get a winch right there. It's the second time I've winched in your cabin. I just bat. Is he gonna go right?
He's gonna go this way.
I don't know if he's gonna make that turn. I guess he could go that way.
Boy, this is gnarly out here.
Oh, the combustion engine. So much fun. You want to stop at the bar?
Up to you.
Yeah.
All right.
Here we go.
The next one.
Oh my gosh.
Is that-
Ride with my car keys in my pocket. This whole time.
It's wide open.
You moron.
Wide open pocket. It's like the surf.
Yeah, quick shot.
Oh yeah.
Three of them.
Yep.
What are you guys gonna have?
Whiskey.
You guys want? Oh, JMO.
Or maybe some
Yeah,
should we do tequila?
Should I go grab my wallet? Or what do you? It was my idea.
Should I bring
Nice
my
try,
wallet? Tequila sounds good.
That sounds smooth. That's what we don't have.
Yeah, let's do tequila.
Should be gone. It's like that day surfing.
You said tequila?
What are you guys having
There
to
we
drink?
Tequila.
Oh, thank you kindly.
Fantastic.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, boys.
Another night, you remember? Oh yeah.
We have karaoke tonight at 8, so.
Tonight? Oh,
Gotta get
no.
this cranked up with
You don't want to ride tonight?
I mean, there's probably a chance. It started. We must have traded.
I have no idea how Matt remembers where to go. It's crazy. like endless trails, endless turns. He just knows where to turn.
All right, don't slow down until we get to the other side.
I think we're about to go over some overflow up here. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's all wet. I see it.
Illuminated sign.
All right. So we're getting into overflow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're driving across the lake. It's like half water. So here we go. Go fast. Oh man.
Well, good morning, everyone. Just woke up, had a nice long night hanging out with friends, going night riding, and we're going riding again today. We're heading to Hatcher Pass. There's a ton of snow. Oh, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a rad day. So let's get started. Mr. Tarmigan, what are you doing? That was crazy. You guys see that? Tarmigan just landed on my roof. Let's go check in the boys. See if they're awake in the cabin up here. Got Max right here in the truck. And Brandon and Matt are sleeping up here too.
Get some overflow going. I want to back into this thing.
Where are we going?
Right in this parking lot and just back into it. What's those guys freaking blocking the road almost?
I was gonna say, this guy is stuck. Blocking it.
Yo.
Yeah, that guy is stuck.
Yeah, he's stuck.
Oh man.
Whoop.
Yeah, it's pretty sketchy. I wouldn't. If you go in, you're not going to get out. It's like you're just going there and sinking. This guy's stuck right here in this truck. I definitely back into it. Max has lockers in that rear axle too. I guess you can. You might not be able to turn. You're not going to be able to turn around when you get in there though. You have to like back out, which would be hard, you know. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Stuck. Oh! Whoa! It's crazy. I don't know how they think they're turning around.
I know.
I mean, you gotta back out of the trailer and that. There's no way.
Push. Really? Go.
Almost worked. Now he's gonna be stuck. Hey, he's got a snowblower. He's got a functioning snowblower in the back. Let's get out here and use it.
This is like crazy.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's time to go riding.
You know what we could do is go like go the mountain route up and over. It's like where we went that one time. We go up the road, then take a left.
Oh yeah, it snows so much better already. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's out. Woo-hoo! You're just bogging?
Yeah, it's bogging hard if I go slow.
Might not be able, yeah. Whoa!
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we're getting to an interesting situation. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see this content. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.